Hi guys, I thought I'd do another update. Got a bit of a problem here. I've put down some floor leveling compound and it's been cracking. So I've decided to pull it all up, which is a nightmare, a pain in the butt. But I'll just show you what I mean, how it's peeling. Someone at work suggested that it was too cold, being 5 degrees. I'm pretty sure I mixed it correctly. 5 litres of water for a 25 kilogram bag. But I'll just show you the cracks that I'm talking about. As you can see, in the floor leveling compound, we're getting these cracks that are small. However, it means that I'm able to pull it up quite easily. So I've come to the conclusion that I'm going to have to pull it all up. Obviously you can see I've done the entire floor in it, and it did cost me probably about £200 to put this stuff down. It's about 1 centimetre thick if we just get one of the pieces. As you can see, it's not that thick, but it's literally peeling up as I pull it up. So the plan is I'm going to mix some cement mixed with some fine stones, basically a small concrete mix, and we're going to put that on the floor instead, because what I need to do is raise the level up to the point where there's some concrete here that's been put there to support the actual concrete panels. As you can see, it's a panelled garage, and my whole idea of using the levelling compound was to raise the level to the actual existing concrete, because what was on here originally was some old cement that was literally cracking to pieces. So I pulled all that up and then I put this levelling compound down. So as you can see, I've made a bit of a hash here. Any DIY experts maybe out there who may, or any builders out there might want to tell me why they think it's cracking. Someone at work suggested it was too cold, being 5 degrees or possibly a little bit below that, because it has been cold. That may have caused this. However, I'm going to have to pull it all up, and I think this time I'll stick with my original idea, which was putting down a cement, and hopefully that will be a better material. I've used concrete before and cement, and in general it's a reliable product and substance that's been used for hundreds of years. But I just wanted to give you an update. So as you can see, I've made quite of a hash with this. I know this project is taking a lot longer than I anticipated, and it's costing me a lot more money than I originally thought it would. But I thought I'd give you an update what I'm doing with the floor, because that's the last thing that needs to be sorted before I put the wood floor on top. So talk to you later, and I hope these videos was informative, and I'll see you later.